As the children become more confident, they might move on to these green books. This is an example of a green book. This is called A New Dog. And you could tell the children that vocabulary before they start. You have a walkthrough of the book. So it looks like Kipper's reading this book about dogs. I wonder if everybody wants a dog or just Kipper. It looks like Kipper really wants a dog. Oh look, everybody's thinking about dogs. I think everybody wants a dog on this page. Where are they going to find a dog, I wonder? They're going to... This place is called the dog's home, so you're giving the unusual, unfamiliar vocabulary to the children. They're going to the dog's home to find a dog. They're looking at lots of different dogs on this page. Oh, look, looks like Kipper likes that one, but I don't think Dad does. What's the matter with him? I think he might be a bit big. Let's see what's on the next page. Oh, it looks like Biff really likes this little dog. Oh, Mum's worried she's going to fall over that dog. Might be a bit too little. Mum looks like that she wants this one, but look how strong he is. Oh, and then they've got this dog. Everyone looks like they're smiling for that dog. Ah, and then they're going to take him home with them. Okay, let's read the story. A New Dog. Kipper, ooh, this is a tricky word, want. Now, we wouldn't say want, so you might give the children this word, and you'd hope that they'd be able to remember it because it appears quite a lot in this book. Kipper wanted a dog. Kipper wanted a dog. So you're pointing to the words all the time. So there's everyone is on this page. So what do you think this word might say? Everyone. Everyone. Remember, this word is the same as the word on here, and it said Kipper wanted a dog. So what does that word say? It starts with what? Everyone wanted a dog. They. Now this word can be sounded out. Went. That's one of our tricky words. To, and this one, the dogs. Dogs, or what did we say the name of this place was? Starts with they went to the dog's home. That was one of the tricky words. And if you had to give it on this page, because they weren't sure about it, they weren't confident, they might remember it on this one. Or if I do this, I might remember this word says look. They looked at the end. They looked at the dogs. Kipper, I remember this word because it was on the first page, wanted this dog. It, that's one of our tricky words, was, oh, I know that two R's make ooh, ooh. It was too big. Biff wanted this dog. It was too, oh, this is going to be a tricky word to read, so we're going to use the pictures to help us with this one. So the other one was too big. What does Mum think is going to get under her feet? It was too, starts with ooh. It was too little. Mum wanted this dog. Oh, I remember that they were wondering, wasn't it? It was too Okay, use a picture to help you. Starts with s, ends with ng. It was too strong. Everyone, I remember that was on the second page, so I could remember that that's there. It's the same word, everyone. If I do this, I know that that says like. It's got d on the end. Everyone liked this dog. They took the dog. Well, that's a word that I remember was in on another page. So they took the dog. Starts with home. They took the dog home. Then you could ask some questions. For example, put your finger on the word that says wanted. Wanted. How many times do we see wanted in this book? one. It's on that page. It's on this page. Let's find wanted on every page. Well, that's nearly wanted, but it says went. Not on this one. There's wanted. Wanted. So you're pointing out these tricky words all the way through. Oh, let's find the word everyone. Everyone is on that page. Everyone is on this page. Find the word looked. So you're reinforcing all of the vocabulary that the children will have read. You're reinforcing the look of the word, but you've used the picture to be able to help them to decode those very tricky words. Looked.